All right, so the probiotics are very important because after you use the thing that doesn't help you, after you feel under the weather, which if you know where I'm going with that because of #compliance, then probiotics is what you want to use because it helps build up the beneficial guys in the gut, and you want a 10-to-1 ratio of good guys to bad guys in the gut to support a healthy immune system. And these are double encapsulated to make sure they get to the right area because they have to pass through your stomach acid. And then these are also have a prebiotic inside to help feed the probiotics until they get there. So think of a school bus that's been bulletproof armor plated, and every little kid inside has a packed lunch as it's trying to go through a tunnel of just fire. That's what's happening, but with the supplement instead. So everybody gets to where they need to safely. That's right. All right, so that is what I use in my regimen too. And then finally, I have the Lifelong Vitality Pack. There's a regular version and the vegan version. I get the vegan because I've been vegan. But what I do is I still... it's a little difficult. I try to prep everything so that I'm ready to use it. This is the side of the unboxing that is less sexy, but it's important, okay? And then I have the little slip that talks about what I got. Boom, has my personal information on it, so you can't see that. We just rip it up, because that's how I do it. And then we're going to move the plant back in focus, because we're supporting plant-based options that support the health. We're going to just continue to prep stuff. I don't know where I was going with that. But we went there, and now we're back. Okay, so here we go. Yes. Recycling. I was going to hit it with my knuckles, but I didn't. So. I don't know. I guess that's recyclable, but it's such a small little piece. I don't even know if I know some recycling centers have limitations on what they can recycle too, like plastic bags and different types of quality plastics, and I just put it in there in hopes that the facility actually does recycle what I put in there, knowing that there's probably a decent amount that doesn't. That's kind of difficult. What is going on here? It's difficult for somebody who couldn't do it, which is me. All right, we're going to continue to open this up here. This is like a styrofoam, so. Anywhoots. Just smells like supplements. Don't know why I smelled it. So we have everything ready, locked, and loaded to go. As you can see, it's not too much stuff, but I did get a ton of free stuff last month. So if you haven't watched that, you can YouTube search probably doTERRA LRP unboxing January Lance McGowan. Okay, that's really long, maybe not. But if you did that, it would give you the video. Or you can, it might give you at the very end of the video and the recommended stuff. So I'm just opening up my supplement capsule holder AM PM, and I am going to prep it for the days that aren't already filled, which I'm not going to fully show you because stuff will come out. But I start off with 2 of the VMZ, which is the whole food multivitamin, which is more easily absorbable because there aren't synthetic ingredients that just come out of you through the normal excretion process. Yeah. And then we have the Alpha CRS Plus, boom, and this supports your energy levels and mitochondria, which are like the little engines of your cells, without sugar, without caffeine. And just having to put everything in here. Right, boom. And I put the ones over by the plants. So I'm going to plant them over here because I've already used them. You see what I did there? Okay. And these are... Okay, never mind. I'm going to stop. Alright, so we have the VE Omega. I struggled there for a second. And this supports your brain, your muscle, and your basically joint function because there's 9 essential oils and they have omega-3, 6, and 9 fatty acids in there. So those are really important. So these are basically trying to fill in the gap from what you don't get from your food, which is really important as a part of a wellness lifestyle. where we don't just wait for things to happen and be reactive. No, not over here. Not in this house. In this house, we are proactive with our health. That's right. We do things proactively. We don't wait for stuff to happen. The only thing I wait is for my shipment to come in so I can be proactive with my health. Boom! There we go. Don't know where I was going with that, but I went there. Now we're back to putting supplements in the AM/PM holder. All right, so we are doing that right now, and I think I have some double of some stuff. It's hard to keep track because I'm talking and putting at the same time. Whew, this is hard work, I'll tell you what. It's not hard work. You could do this too. And if you are doing this too, I'm proud of you. Aww. All right, nope. Okay, so with the probiotics, I do like 1 a day, but like I said, I want to move to 2 a day. Not 2, yeah, like 1 in the AM and 1 in the PM, but otherwise I'll do the enzymes. So the rule of thumb is if your meal is 1/3 cooked, then you take 1. If your meal is 2/3 cooked, you take 2, and if your meal is fully cooked, you take 3. Again, we want to give backup reinforcement support to the organs that have to produce enzymes, which have a limited supply, and you'll eventually run out as you age. So instead of waiting for that to happen, we want to support our body with the enzymes to break things down. Anybody who's taking a dance class, specifically break dancing, already knows. If you haven't, then okay, maybe you should. Maybe you should not, but just watch the video and do this, and you'll be good. Okay, so I'm gonna just put this back on and make sure no supplements get guillotined, because that can happen sometimes if you're not paying attention. All right, we're good. Boom! All right, so I'm gonna take a drink. I'm gonna drink to that. Oh my goodness. You know when the drink goes in the wrong tube because you're trying to do too much? Yeah, that's what happened. This is reverse osmosis water, apple cider vinegar, organic and raw, non-pasteurized, which means non-heat treated, and then lemon essential oil. So that is, again, supporting the immune system, layering a nice coat on my throat in the gut area too. So we're good. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. That's a wrap. And going to basically put these in the pantry. Going to put these in the pantry, these in the pantry, these in my oil stocks collection stash so I can have those whenever I need them. And then that's pretty much it. And let me see, that's a new one. And I put little stickers on top as well so I know what oil is what when I'm grabbing from the top. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the like button if you did. Hit subscribe for future video updates. And most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on. And if you have been doing the doTERRA Loyalty Rewards program, keep going. I'm really proud of you. I really mean that because it's all about having that wellness lifestyle, not just waiting for stuff to happen that's negative or bad in your life. You're just trying to take your health into your hands. Awesome. If you haven't done it, then I highly encourage you to do so and learn more with my videos. That it would be a great first step for you. And if you are against it, well, you already know. Just leave a comment and I'll probably make a video of it and we'll be good to go. All right, see you later. Have a good day. Whoa. Juggling your health. Oh my goodness. Don't juggle with your health. You should take your health into your hands. But don't juggle it. You no? Okay. Don't do that.